Want to create a public Snapchat profile for your friends or fans to follow? In this video, you'll learn how to set up and use a public profile on Snapchat. To get started, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon or Bitmoji at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap Public Profile to begin. Next, customize your profile by adding a cover photo. Tap the photo icon at the top, select an image from your camera roll, and upload it. Adjust the photo as needed, then tap Apply. You can also configure your public information. Tap the pencil icon to add a profile photo, write a short bio, and optionally include your location. If you want to show your follower count, toggle the switch to make it visible. Preview your profile anytime to see how it looks to others. To share your public profile, tap the share icon at the top. You can choose an app to share the link directly or copy the URL to post it elsewhere. You're now ready to share snaps, create stories, and upload videos to Spotlight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.